You want to get fitter and feel better in your body. But gym classes feel intimidating when you cannot keep up. And most online workout plans are too fast, too complicated, and assume you are already halfway there. You just want something simple enough to start at home, easy enough to remember, and honest enough actually to work. A beginner workout does not need to be complicated. It needs to be something you can actually do twice this week and again next week. Here we introduce you to 5 simple bodyweight moves, 15 minutes, 3 times a week. Simplicity beats complexity. Consistency beats intensity. Your body adapts best to small, repeatable signals. Think of it like installing updates, not doing a factory reset. The 5 workouts are squat, push-up, glute bridges, lunges, and plank. Let's briefly go through each. Squat. It's sitting down and standing up with intent. Builds legs and teaches your hips and knees to share the work. If it feels hard to do in the beginning, try wall sit instead. Just lean against the wall and sit down till your thigh is at 90-degree angle to the ground. Push-up. A moving plank with a push. Train chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. If it feels challenging, try putting your feet on sofa and then do a push-up. Glute bridges, hands to thighs, push hips back, spine long. Great for glutes, hamstrings, and low back resilience. Step 1. Lie down on the floor. Keep your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Step 2. Raise your hip from the ground until your knees, hip, and shoulders form a straight line. Step 3. Hold the position for 2 seconds before coming down slowly. Lunges, step leg back, heel up. Plank, your anti-slouch. Brace like someone's about to poke your ribs. In summary, do these 5 exercises, 2 sets each, 8 to 12 reps. Rest between sets, 15 minutes total. That is it for week 1 and week 2. Do not change anything. Do not add more. Just show up 3 times this week and do the same thing again. The goal is not to feel destroyed. The goal is to finish, feel good about it, and come back. When showing up feels easy, that is when you start adding, not before. You are a pure beginner. Our goal is to get you up and running. It is not about getting the perfect form yet. Just mimic. Try and get going. That is the target. Once you get a handle on it, we improve from there. Do it. Show up, repeat, and be consistent. That is all. Train smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.